Hello everyone, it's Tuesday today and dumating na tong mga online shopping ko ng mga bags. No, wala lang, talagang I just try these bags talaga. So ako naman talaga hindi ako masilan sa mga original at replica dahil ako naman talaga I'm so very practical everyone. Dahil para sa akin, if you buy a bag, that is not a good investment for me, that's not a good investment. Dahil if you buy a bag, pag nagamit mo na yan, if you sell that again, you cannot get the higher price or lower. Almost of the time, pag bumili ka ng bag or mga sapatos or mga damit or mga kung ano-ano dyan na mga gamit, no? Na mga ano ba? Like bags talaga. Dahil ako talaga, hindi talaga ako masilan sa mga bags everyone. As long talaga na cute siya, maganda siya, hindi naman siya talagang very talaga na depende lang kasi yan sa nagdadala everyone actually para sa akin kasi pag if you buy a bags, especially very branded and very expensive bags, if you sell that again, you cannot get the higher price on that bag. As long na nagamit mo na kahit isang beses pa yan, talagang it's become a very less price. If you buy that, if for example, if you buy that ni Jumang bag, and then nagamit mo na yan, kahit sabi mo pang slightly used, isang beses ko lang yan nagamit, it cost that 50% off already. So, mabibinta mo na lang yan ng 10 lapad, ganon. So, talagang, it's not worth talaga na investment. Besides sa mga gold, talaga, that is a good investment. You buying golds, dahil ang golds kasi, tumataas, bumababa, tumataas, bumababa. But, luxury bags, I think that's not a very good investment. So, I found this online. So, shopping as usually talaga. So, nakita ko mga cute at very affordable naman talaga yung mga bags niya. Actually, ayoko na lang sabihin dahil this is just a fashion bags, branded fashion bag, but I think it's cute. So, wala lang. This is for baby girl dahil kailangan niya sa kaniyang nag-aarbay to kasi siya ng trabaho, so kailangan niya ng bags, lagayan ng kanyang mga things, and I think cute para sa kanya, so I buy for her. So I think it's so cute. Then magaan lang kasi yung Prada bag everyone, so I think it's more comfortable para sa kanya dahil tela kasi ang Prada kasi. And then this most a very exciting one everyone dahil I love Chanel too much everyone. And then natuwa lang talaga ako dahil when I received the bags, actually I buy 3 bags for myself, no? And first I have this white because kung nakikita nyo ako, wala akong white na bags, so talagang I ordered this one and I think it's so cute. And nakikita ko naman, hindi naman siya masasabi natin na talagang sabihin mo na nasa pagdadala nga lang talaga everyone. Because pag tayo ang magdala talagang I think hindi naman siguro kailangan sabihin pa ng mga tao na we are wearing this kind of bag. Talaga sabi na, tiki ba yan? O, diba? So, wala lang. So, I just found this one. And I think it's so cute. Actually, this bag is pwede siyang i-shoulder, pwede siyang i-body bag, and then pwede siyang i-body bag, pwede siyang i-shoulder bag. And talagang it's a gold, I think gold ang chin nito. Yeah, gold. So gold ang chin niya. So I think it's so cute. So this one, so pwede siyang pahabaan, pwede siyang i-body bag, pwede siyang i-shoulder bag. No, so mamaya na lang natin siya ayusin. So excited lang. And then meron akong isang bag na I love pink too much, but wala akong bag na ganitong kulay because I have the Virgin style bag talaga na binili ko din yan sa online, but the color is very faded and very old, but the quality is ostrich, kaya binili ko siya and then rinipaint ko na lang siya, and it's more darker pink than this bag. So look at this one. And I think it's so cute. I love it. Pwede siyang, and you can see the handle everyone. Pwede mo siyang i-handbag like that. And then pwede mo din siyang i-body bag. Dahil mayroon din siyang long strap bag. And then mayroon siyang compartment dito sa likod. And then sa loob, ganito siya. Ano lang, napakaganda nito everyone, no? Because you can see the details of the talagang And then mayroon din siyang ano dito na Chanel. And then lahat Chanel. And then mayroon siyang ano like a code na nakasulat. And then marami siyang mga anik-anik na mga cards. But yeah, I love it. I think it's nice for this summer. I think it's so cute for this summer for my fashion na something gagala kami ni Daddy. And then I love pink too much. So wala lang. I think it's so cute. Besides isang bag na nakita ko na ganito na pink. Mayroon pa talaga akong ubo, everyone. I'm sorry talaga. Mayroon ko nakita na ganitong pink. So, buti na lang, when I watch the online, again, may nakita akong ibang design na pink. So, sabi ko, I like that one. So, wala lang. Napadami tuloy yung order ko. Alam niyo na. Ano pa kinakain ko? Parang may ano. And then, I found this one. Kasi mayroon akong belt na ganitong Gucci. And then, I have a sandal also na Gucci. So, I think perfect siya na eterno ko. Lalo na this summer, I like the body bag also. And it's, I think, more comfortable. Like, mag-grocery ka or like somewhere na hindi ko kailangan magdala ng maraming bag o somewhere kakain lang kami na sa labas. I think it's so cute. But siguro ma-harbor din to ni baby girl dahil mahilig siya sa ganitong bag din. No? So, yeah. Gamitin ko muna siya dahil alam ko talaga pag makita nito wala to, ha-harborin talaga to. But hindi ko talaga to ibigay sa kanya. I know she don't like this pink. I know she don't like this one. I know this one is probably talaga ma-harbor niya to, but this pink hindi niya type to. And then I think the white one, ayokong ibigay ang white and the pink because you know wala akong ganitong bag. But you know she love dark color. And then wala lang everyone, naging curious lang talaga ako sa mga perfumes nila. So I tried the Louis Vuitton dahil binunggahan ko na lang talaga ang pag-order ko dahil puslan man kung sa Bisaya, kung puslan man kung mag-order ka sa ilang perfume, bunggahan mo na lang talaga. Gawin mo ng Louis Vuitton or gawin mo ng Tom Ford or gawin mo ng Very Good Girl. And actually, I want to collect all the perfumes she have. Oh my God, look at the packaging. Oh my God, look at the packaging. Hala. Look at the packaging, everyone. Look at this. Hala, saan ni pag-abli kay... Ay, anak din na siya. Oh my God. Oh my God. I want to... Mabango siya. But tingnan ko na lang to kung ilang minuto ang bangon niya, kung talagang... But you know, the vanilla essence in this country mo. I love this. Talaga, ganito talaga yung bangon niya. The original one because nakaamoy ako ng ganito with me and Daddy in somewhere in luxury store. So wala lang talaga, alam niyo naman talaga si Ate Red, mahilig akong mag-amoy-amoy sa mga mamahalin. So naamoy ko to, it's just same, no? As I remember in my mind and in my smell, na it's like the vanilla and talaga, oh, mabango siya. But you know, I want to try all the variant perfumes that she has. Gusto kong i-try yon, and then kasi naamoy ko mabango siya as in mabango siya as in. But look at this one. Oh my God. Is this so real? Oh, 100 ml. Oh, look at that. Look at the packaging. Oh. So, look at the bottle. Not the packaging, the bottle. Okay? So, next i-order natin yung So, this is what I'm shopping at online. Because, wala. Habang nag-beauty rest kami ni Bibi Hinako. Look at Bibi Hinako. Oh. And baby, and my baby, oh. So, while we are resting here, nag-o-online shopping kami, nanonood kami. pag nakita kaming nag-oo ano, but mayroon akong isang store talaga na binibilhan nito everyone. Talagang it's a very less price and talagang hello everyone. So nandito na yung order ko from online shopping. So excited ako tingnan yung mga nabili kong mga bags. So yeah, I wait this for how many weeks everyone, and now I got this package. So tingnan natin kung ano ang mga quality ng mga bags na to, and I'm so excited.